In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use your Wise digital card in stores without needing a physical card. This makes cashless, cardless payments fast and convenient. Imagine the day when you won't need to carry around a wallet full of cards. Well, that day is here, and it's easier than you think. To begin, you'll want to sign up for a Wise account. The process is straightforward and takes only a few minutes. As a new user, you might even enjoy some exclusive offers when you sign up through the link provided in the video description. Once you're registered, it's time to dive into the app where you'll gain access to your brand new digital card. Activating your card is a breeze, and before you know it, you'll have a fully functional debit card right on your phone. No physical card needed. Now, let's get that card ready for action. Add your Wise digital card to a mobile wallet such as Apple Pay or Google Wallet. This step is key because it allows you to use tap to pay at contactless terminals, making your shopping experience seamless and touch-free. Whether you're picking up your morning coffee or grabbing lunch on the go, the Wise digital card has you covered. An incredible feature of the Wise account is its ability to manage multiple currencies. Whether you want to use your local currency or perhaps the British pound, Wise makes it simple. They offer the mid-market rate with impressively low fees, ensuring that your currency conversions are always transparent and fair. It's like having a personal finance assistant in your pocket, giving you flexibility and control. The best part? Your digital card will work just about anywhere that accepts contactless payments, whether you're in the UK or traveling internationally. From shops and cafes to public transportation, it's widely accepted. Shopping online? No problem. Just use the card number, expiry date, and CVV from your app to complete purchases without a hitch. Security is always a priority. If, for some reason, you need to freeze or delete your digital card, you can do it instantly through the app. If it's compromised or simply no longer needed, this feature gives you full control and peace of mind at all times. And there you have it. Using the Wise digital card is that straightforward. No physical card, no problem. You're ready to enjoy cashless and convenient payments starting today. Don't forget to sign up through the link in the description to benefit from everything Wise has to offer. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoy the ease and efficiency of your Wise digital card.